Welcome to Thinkers IAS. In this video, let's discuss about organic farming. Organic farming is the cultivation of crops using organic inputs. Okay. So, definition of organic farming is that it is a system which avoids or largely excludes the use of synthetic pesticides, synthetic inputs like fertilizers, pesticides, hormones, and feed additives, and to the maximum extent rely upon crop rotation. So these are the cultural means: crop rotation, crop residues, animal manures, and off-farm organic waste, mineral grade rock additives, and biological system of nutrient mobilization and plant protection. So these are different techniques through which organic farming is practiced. Okay, I would like to explain each and every words in this. Okay, because it is important from examination point of view. It takes only 2 minutes. So here organic farming uses crop rotation. So crop rotation is the cultivation of different crops one after the other. Okay, so main aim is to avoid the incidence of pests and diseases, and also to promote better utilization of the land. For example, if you grow tomato on a stretch of land this season, in the next season you are going to grow watermelon. Okay, watermelon. So if you grow the tomato again on the same piece of land in the next season, whatever the pests and diseases which were present in the previous crop is attacking the next crop as well. Okay, that increases the cost of plant protection, that increases the intake of insecticides and pesticides to protect the crops. If you rotate the crop with other variety like watermelon, so whatever the pests and diseases which are attacking the tomato crop will not be affecting the watermelon, because even the pests and diseases are host specific. They are specific to a particular crop. So those pests and diseases will die down, and you need less and less chemicals to control the crop. So that is crop rotation. Okay, so crop residues are important source of organic manures, animal manures, and mineral grade rock additives. So minerals are important source of fertilizers. For example, rock phosphate can be used as a source of phosphorus. Okay, and biological system of nutrient mobilization. Biofertilizers are used to make available the plant nutrients to the plants. For example, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. So nitrogen fixing bacteria like rhizobium, azotobacter, azospirillum can be used in the organic farming to make available the nutrients to the plants in an organic way. Okay, that is the definition of organic farming. So there are different components of organic farming here. So in organic farming we use green manures. Green manures contains organic compounds, various minerals like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium in organic form. When you grow the green manures on a crop, on a field, and then plow that back into the soil when it flowers, that adds nutrients and organic manure to the soil, thereby enriching the soil. Okay, that is green manuring. That is an important component that increases the water holding capacity of the soil, that acts as a insurance during the drought like situations. That is the benefit of using green manures. Okay, so there are different types of green manures. If you want, I'm going to cover later. Please write down in the description box below if you want such kind of videos. And next, crop rotation. Crop rotation I have explained now. But biological management. So you can use microorganisms to control the insects and diseases. So for every organism there is a predator, there is an enemy. So we are going to exploit those enemies against the insect pests. For example, for thrips, okay, there is a parasite. Okay, so for beetles there is a parasite, there is a enemy. Okay, so we are going to increase the population of those enemies to control the pests and diseases. That is biological management. Animal husbandry, biofertilizers, I have explained that. Manures and vermicompost. So compost produced through the use of earthworms are called vermicompost. Okay, these are the different important components of organic farming. So now let's discuss about the need for organic farming in the present day world, because organic farming promotes sustainable agriculture. So yields are not going to go down when we adopt organic farming. So now, because of the green revolution, we have polluted our soil, water, an ecosystem which is leading to reduction in crop yield or at least plateau in the crop yield. So when we adopt organic farming, we can sustainably increase the crop yield on a sustainable basis in a long run. That is the issue. Stabilizing the yield, okay? Pollution free process. So there is no pollution of environment, water, or air through organic farming to overcome the negative effects of green revolution. So we were using increased amount of fertilizers, pesticides in our green revolution period from 1960s to 1990s, which have polluted a significant amount of atmosphere, okay, environment. So now we need to overcome the negative effects of green revolution. The best alternative is organic farming and integrated nutrient management, okay, to ensure self-sufficiency, more returns to the farmers, reduces the dependence on multinational companies. That is another thing. So you can create your own inputs, you can create your own fertilizer, pesticide on your own in organic farming, okay. You need knowledge for that. But in chemical farming, you need to depend on multinational companies for seeds, for fertilizers, for pesticide, for insecticide, for fungicide. Okay, that is the issue. Now let's discuss the key characteristics of organic farming. So these are the important issues. This is important from mains perspective. Okay, so it takes only 2 minutes. Please watch that. So protecting the long-term fertility of the soil. That is the important characteristics. By maintaining organic matter level, encouraging soil biological activity and careful mechanical intervention. Providing crop nutrients to the crops through microorganisms and organic manures. Nitrogen self-sufficiency by using legumes, biological nitrogen fixation and other biofertilizers. Weeds, disease and pests are controlled by crop rotation, natural predators. Okay, I have discussed about this. Organic manures, resistant varieties, and extensive management of livestock, paying full regard to their evolutionary adaptation, behavioral needs, and animal welfare issues with respect to nutrition. So these are the key characteristics of organic farming. This completes the discussion on organic farming. Thanks for watching.